How to fix microphone not working on Instagram in iPhone 11, 12 or 13. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then scroll down and click on Instagram. After clicking on Instagram, then here you can see the option microphone. Now here you can turn off your microphone, then turn it on. After turn on your microphone, then your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then go back to your home screen and open your app store. Now search here Instagram. First of all, check your Instagram update. If you have any update of your Instagram, then update your Instagram. After update your Instagram, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open your settings and click on general and then click on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find Instagram. Now click on it and here you can offload your Instagram app and reinstall it. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.